Hi everyone, hi my friends, hi internet. This is Mock Artist Education, and Mock Artist Education will give you some important thoughts and idea how to develop your thinking power and how to change your thinking power, and why we cannot speak English easily. English is not our mother tongue. Our mother tongue is Bengali, but we can try how to. And Mock Artist Education will give you some new thoughts and idea how to increase your speaking power and how to develop your speaking power. All our topics are in spoken English and speaking power. So today's topic is spoken English with knowledge, and how to develop your knowledge, and the knowledge will give you very important things. When you increase your knowledge, then your money will be increased, and I think knowledge, today's topic is knowledge. Knowledge will give you power, and character will give you respect. So I mm, I will say that many people, everyone has knowledge. Everyone do work, they earn money with knowledge. Everyone has knowledge, but they, I think, they don't increase their knowledge. Why? Knowledge will give you power, and I will say again, we decorate our house, we decorate our garden, we decorate our birthday, we decorate our dead day, we decorate our face, we decorate our nail, we decorate our lips, we decorate our eyes, we decorate our everything, we decorate our festival, but we don't decorate our knowledge. So how to decorate your knowledge, and why we cannot decorate knowledge, these are idea. So knowledge will give you power. So knowledge will give you power, and I will say people are not shy increase their money, but people shy increase their knowledge. Why? I don't understand. But knowledge will give you power, not money. Money money not give you respect. So money is not everything. Knowledge, I will say, knowledge is everything. When you increase your knowledge, your in knowledge use to everywhere. But you think, you go to the desert, you have more money, but you don't get water. But that time what you will do? That time you feel, that time you think and thought, you thinking, uh, that time you help to you your knowledge, and you think and think, where I get water. Think, my opinion, money is not everything. Knowledge is everything. Knowledge will give you power, that it is possible for people to enquire themselves through the knowledge. It is possible to understand for our consciousness in the system of knowledge, because what would happen if people did not have knowledge? Knowledge is everything. And let me give an example. Think, a man stolen something uh, in a shop. Uh, a man stolen something in a shop. Then some people beat him, and some arrested him, and some of them find out why he stolen, and some of them find out reason of stolen. Then he depends on the reason, and why should be punished in the correct knowledge. So this is knowledge, how to find out knowledge, good or bad things. And I repeat these things. This topic is how to say something. If you cannot say something, you cannot learn anything. This is spoken English classes every day, and every day, morning in the 20 minutes and evening 20 minutes minimum you can say something, then your speaking power will grow. So if you like this video, you can subscribe and hit the bell icon, and I will hope I will get more new video. And thank you and all, bye bye.